Hi, my name is Jendayi A. Stafford, and I just wanted to come here real quick and just let you know about the New Year, New You virtual conference. So I have had the privilege of going to the last two of these virtual conferences, and they have been amazing every single time. I feel like every year it has gotten better. So it's definitely full of subject matter experts. The topics are amazing. There's something there for everyone. And on top of that, you have the energy, you have these subject matter experts, and you get a chance to win a free prize. And I don't just mean like a coupon or anything like that. I mean like legit prizes. So I won last year and I won the Logitech web camera, and it was a game changer in my business. All of the information has been game changing in my business as well. I've taken that information from these subject matter experts, I have implemented it, and I've seen my business grow. And so I just want to encourage you guys, if you're thinking about it, there's nothing to think about. It is a free conference. You need to just go ahead and do it. So again, you want to go on there, you want to register for this 2-week long free conference with all these experts, all this great material and information being given out, and you want to make sure that you are there because you have a chance to win a phenomenal prize. Again, this is the New Year, New You virtual conference. Check it out. I'll see you there.